3 months ago, Sarah cast a spell to get her dream job during a full moon. 2 weeks later, she was fired. Marcus tried to banish his ex during a new moon. The harassment got worse. Here's the brutal truth most witches won't tell you. You're probably casting at the wrong moon phase. And it's not your fault, because people are teaching lunar magic backwards. In exactly 2 minutes, I will show you the moon phase that can backfire dramatically if not used correctly. But first, let's fix the foundation. The new moon is not a blank canvas. It is the absence of the canvas entirely. In the old magical texts, this is not a time for casting. It is a time for waiting. Why? Because the moon, the great mirror of magical virtue, is gone. Her influence, which carries and reflects the influence of the heavens, is absent. And without light, there is no path. The waxing crescent is the first visible sliver, like the spark before the flame. This is when you plant the seed of intent. The first quarter, half light, half shadow. A moment of tension and choice. This phase aligns with action, courage, and overcoming obstacles. Waxing gibbous, nearly full but not yet complete. This is when you sharpen and focus your energy. Think of manifestation like archery. Waxing crescent, you knock the arrow. First quarter, you draw the bow. Waxing gibbous, you aim precisely. Manifestation is a process, not an instant spell. And here it is, the phase that can backfire if you are not careful. The full moon. Everyone says to cast during a full moon for maximum power. But power without precision is like giving a loaded gun to a toddler. The full moon amplifies everything. Your intentions, your fears, your subconscious blocks, even your self-doubt. Never cast on the full moon unless 1. You have done the preparatory work during the waxing phases. 2. Your intention is crystal clear. 3. You are prepared for rapid, possibly chaotic results. Now, after the storm comes the harvest. Waning Gibbous. This is when you listen for answers. Don't speak. Now is the time to let the magic answer you. This is when insights come flooding in. The last quarter. This is your banishing powerhouse. This is the fire that burns the scraps and curses. Let go, cut ties, sweep clean. Waning Crescent, the final breath before darkness returns. This is a sacred time for rest and release. Here is your homework. Look up tonight's moon phase. Then comment below what type of magic you should or should not do based on what you have learned today. I will personally respond to the first 25 comments with specific advice for your situation. Real magic is not about following trends or copying what looks pretty on social media. It is about understanding the cosmic currents and working with them, not against them. Your ancestors knew this. The grimoires teach this. And now you know this. So if this video taught you something, summon the like button. Until next time.